crap. What's going on, everyone? You're thinking, what's up with what's going on right now? I'm actually being lit by my fish tank. I know, I just like the shadows and a little bit of light, you know, I'm just super dramatic. I'm just dramatic like that, I guess. So in today's video, all the sound effects that you're gonna hear are made by me and my cousin. What we did was go into a quiet place, record some sound effects on an iPhone. The reason I did it, or I decided to have it done on an iPhone, is because, you know, not everyone has super dope audio recording equipment and mics and freaking little recorders. Some people only have a phone, and I'm kind of on this kick like, yo, let's see what can be done with just a phone. Now look, it's probably gonna suck. I'm gonna be honest, it's probably gonna suck. But my whole point of the video is you can do a lot more than you know with a lot less than you think you should have. I think that's my point. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Maybe give me some feedback. And yo, if you have any experiences of when you used to create from back in the day when you didn't really have nothing, post it down below. I'd love to hear that story. And I'm thinking maybe I'll post an old video that I did completely with the phone. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do that. So you're about to see a video that was completely done on an iPhone SE, completely edited, everything on that. I don't know. It's probably gonna suck, man. Seriously. Ugh. Swagged out.